Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to share WordPress posts to multiple Facebook pages. So I am running a travel agency, and to promote my business, I am using WordPress and I'm regularly uploading new blogs and publishing new posts on my WordPress site. Now to engage wider audience, I want to share all these posts which I am uploading on my WordPress site to multiple Facebook pages as well, which I am running on my Facebook account for my travel agency. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For that, we have to set up the connection between WordPress and multiple Facebook pages, and that we are going to do without the requirement of any coding and programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step that how you can automatically share your WordPress post on multiple Facebook pages. So here, let's suppose I'm running a travel agency, and in order to promote my business, I'm using WordPress on which I'm regularly uploading, publishing new blogs as posts. Okay. Now I want to share these posts. I want to share these blogs on multiple Facebook pages as well, which I'm running for the same travel agency in order to promote my blogs, in order to engage more audience and attract more customers. Okay, so here I'm going to automate this entire process, that too without the requirement of any coding and programming skills. I will simply set up a connection between WordPress and multiple Facebook pages, and that I'm going to do simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So let's get started over here. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, you will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user, so you can directly click on sign in option. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button to create your free new account. Also, when you will do that, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and also to test multiple workflows according to your requirements. Okay, so here, because I am already an existing user, so I'm going to click on sign in currently. Now this is all app section, where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's quickly click on access now. It has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On this dashboard, we can find all our workflows which we have created, and we can also create different folders over here in the same dashboard in order to save our workflows separately according to different purposes. Now, to create a new workflow, you have to click on this create workflow option. Let's do that. Here a dialog box is appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, I'm going to give a name over here. Share WordPress post to multiple Facebook pages. According to the objective of my workflow, I've given the name, and now I want to save this workflow in this folder, social media automations. In the similar manner, you have to select your folder in which you want to save your workflows like this, and when you're going to click on create, the workflow will be saved automatically in that same folder. And as we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us, which contains two important windows: trigger and action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles or the building blocks on which the entire automation works. Here the trigger says when this happens, and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Let's suppose here my objective is that whenever a new post will be published on my WordPress site, that same post should be shared on my Facebook page as well. So I'm going to take WordPress in my trigger, let's suppose, and Facebook page in my action. When we are going to set up the connection between these two applications, we can clearly see that action is following what the trigger commands. Because when the trigger happens, that means when the post is published, a new blog is published on WordPress, then only that will be shared on Facebook pages, otherwise not. In the similar manner, as many Facebook pages which we are going to connect in action steps, all the actions are going to follow what the trigger commands. Okay, so now after understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating the automation. In order to start our automation workflow, we have to select our trigger application first of all. So our trigger application will be WordPress. Let's simply select that. And then we have to select the trigger event. So trigger event is actually the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or start. You can see we have multiple options over here. So we want, because that whenever a new post will be published on our WordPress site, the response of that blog should be immediately and instantly captured over here. So new post published will be our trigger event in that case. As we have selected that, we have received a webhook URL and we have also received some instructions. So we have to follow these instructions step by step to set up our connection between WordPress and Pabbly Connect. And then we have to use this webhook URL, which is going to act as a bridge in order to transfer the data from WordPress towards Pabbly Connect. So let's simply copy that webhook URL from here, and it is given in the instructions that first of all you have to install a plugin with a name as WP Webhooks in your WordPress site. Okay, if you have already installed and activated that, then in that case you have to go towards the left sidebar settings option, under which you will find the option of your plugin WP Webhooks, and then you have to go towards send data. So I'm going to tell you what we have to do. First of all, I'm going to take you towards my WordPress site. From the left side over here, you can see the option of plugins. You have to go towards install plugins, and over here in the search bar you have to search for the plugin WP Webhooks. Okay, you can see that in my account the WP Webhook plugin is already installed and is activated. If you have not installed and activated it, then you have to go towards the add new plugin section. You have to search for the same plugin over there and you have to install and activate it. Once you will do that, then you have to go towards the settings section. Under settings, here you will find the option of WP Webhooks when you will install and activate it. So you have to go on this option. And then after coming on WP Webhooks, you will find multiple options over here. Okay, you have to select send data because our objective is to send a response towards Pabbly Connect when a specific event will occur. So we have to go towards send data option. And then you have to select the specific event on the happening of which you want to send the data. So because our trigger is related to post, we have to go towards the post section, and here we have to select post created option. So these are all the webhooks which are already created for different purposes related to post created. Okay, in order to create a new webhook, we have to click on this add webhook URL button, and first of all we have to give a name to our webhook. So I'm going to give a name, let's say new travel blogs. I've given a name to my webhook, and now I'm going to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. Then we have to simply click on add for post create. And here we can see that successfully our webhook is added over here with the same name which we have given. So what we have to click on this three dots. We have to go towards settings, and we have to perform one more action, that we have to first of all select the type of post which we want to share. So we have selected post over here. Then we have to select the trigger on initial post status change. So on which status of your post you want to share the response. I want that whenever the post will be published, then I want to share the response. So here I have selected the published option. Then we will move forward and we will simply click on save settings. As we have done that, our settings are successfully saved. So let's simply click on cross. We'll move back towards Pabbly Connect, and here you can see that it is already showing waiting for webhook response. This means that as soon as a test submission will be made inside WordPress, the response will be captured. It is waiting for the response over here. So what we will do, we will go towards WordPress, we will create and publish a new post over there, and as soon as we will do that, the response of that post will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So we'll go towards WordPress, we'll go towards the post section, and I'm going to click on add new post button. Now here we have to create and publish a new post in which I'm going to add a title, and then I'm going to give the content as well. So this will be the title of my new post: packing hacks, how to travel light and smart. Here I'm telling my audience that how they can effortlessly pack for their traveling. Okay, so on my WordPress site, I'm going to regularly post new blogs related to the travel itineraries, new destinations where the travelers can plan to visit for exploring the world, and also related to the packing hacks, and also related to the prerequisites which are required for each travel. Okay, so here this is the content for the post, and when I have entered all the details, I will simply click on publish. So this is a simple blog post which I have created on WordPress. And as we have done that, here our post is created. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. Over here we can see that already we have captured the response. In this response we have received all the details. So when we'll scroll down, here we have the permalink, that means the URL of the post. Here we have the post ID. Here is the title of our post and also the content. Okay, so this means that our connection between WordPress and Pabbly Connect is absolutely successful. Once we have received this response, we are going to use the same response in order to share the post on Facebook pages as well. So I am running two of the Facebook pages, Voyage Ventures and the other is Drive Secure. So I want to share the same WordPress post on both the pages I am running on my Facebook account. Okay, so one by one we are going to set up the connection between these two Facebook pages. First of all, I'm going to set up the connection between Voyage Ventures and Pabbly Connect. So for that we have to move towards our action step, and here our action application will be Facebook pages. Then we have to select our action event, that will be create page post. Because I am creating a simple post, so I'm going to select the action event as create page post. In case if you are using any media such as multimedia, so you can select create multi-image post, and you can also select create page photo post, okay, according to your post. Then here I have selected the create page post as my action event, so I'm going to click on connect. For building the connection, you can see I've already logged into my Facebook page, so I'm going to go towards add new connection. We'll click on connect with Facebook pages, and here I'm going to continue with my account. As we have done that, here our authorization has become successful and our Facebook page is connected with Pabbly Connect. So now first of all, we have to select the page from the drop down which we want to connect over here. So the name of my page is Voyage Ventures. I have selected that. Then we have to enter the message which we want to share in our post. So the message will be related to the new WordPress post blog which is being out, so that the audience could check out along with a link. So my message will be, so here I have entered the message new blog post alert. We have just published a brand new post on our blog with a new title. Here I'm going to enter the name of my title of the post, and we can't wait for you to check it out. Dive into our latest content and discover insightful tips, exciting destinations, and inspiring stories that are sure to ignite your passion. Don't miss out. Stay tuned for more updates and amazing content coming your way. And here are some of the tags which I want to share along with my post. Okay, so these tags are related to the travel agency, which are connecting the dots of my travel agency and the content of the post which I'm going to share on my WordPress sites on regular basis related to the travel destinations, itineraries, and etc. So the message which I have posted over here will be same each time. Therefore, I have framed the message according to that only. Okay. Now the title is going to replace with each and every new post which we are going to publish on our WordPress site. Therefore, we will have to make it dynamic. How we are going to do that? By simply mapping the title from our previous response. As you know, in our previous step, we have received all the details of our WordPress post. Okay. We will simply insert the data from that previous step only. As you can see, this is my previous step. We will have to search for the title of the post, and here we have the post title, Packing Hacks, How to Travel Light and Smart. When you will select that, it will be mapped. When we map our data by using our previous response, it becomes dynamic, and with each and every new response, it is going to replace automatically. So this means that now when we have mapped this title of the post, whenever we are going to publish a blog or a post on our WordPress site, the title of that post will be replaced in this field automatically. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process of sharing our WordPress post on different Facebook pages, that too without any effort. Okay, so now we do not have to change the message as well as the post title each time. Then simply we'll map the link URL of the post as well. We have received the perma link, so when we have mapped this link as well, it is going to replace automatically as it has also become dynamic. In this way, we have to automate the process with the help of mapping. Then we'll click on save and send test request button. And as we have done that, here we have received the response. In this response, we have received the ID of the post as well. This means the post is successfully created on the Facebook page. So I'm going to take you towards my Facebook page. You will click on refresh over here. And you can see that yes, a new post is recently created over here. This is the same message. Here we have the title of the post, and this is the perma link. That means the link which is going to redirect the audience or the viewer towards the WordPress site, towards our post. So when a person is going to click on this link, they will reach towards this post which we have created on our WordPress site. Okay, done. In the similar manner, now my next objective is to share the same WordPress post on my other Facebook page as well with the name as Drive Secure. So what I will do, I will simply go towards Pabbly Connect once again, and here because all the steps we have already performed of connecting our Facebook page with Pabbly Connect, we just have to change the name of the page from this page field. So for that, we will go towards the three dots and we will simply clone this same action step which we have performed earlier. As we have done that, the same step is cloned, and now we can simply change the name of the page from this drop down. So I will click on refresh fields, and here we will simply go towards the drop down and we will select the page which we want to connect the next. So this is the name of my page. I have done that. I have selected that. The same message will be posted on that page as well with the same link and the title. So we'll simply click on save and send test request button. And here once again we have received the response. In this response, this is the post ID. That means the post is successfully created on our next page as well. So we'll click on refresh button over here after coming on the Facebook page. And here, yes, the new post is created, and here we have the link of the post as well. This means that our connection between WordPress and different Facebook pages is successful. So now whenever a new post will be published on our WordPress site, that post with the message as well as the link of the post will be shared on our Facebook pages in the form of a post only. Okay, in the similar manner, I have just taken the example of 2 Facebook pages over here, but you can connect as many Facebook pages as you want on which you want to share your post. Okay, so now when we have set up the connection successfully, we are going to check this workflow once again. I'm going to go back towards WordPress and I'm going to click on this add new post once again. As soon as I'm going to publish a new post over here once again, immediately, automatically, and that too instantly, that same post along with the message as well as the link will be shared on all our Facebook pages which we have connected. So okay, so I'm going to add a new title over here. So this is the post title, Spring Break Destinations for Families and Students, and now I'm going to enter the content for this post as well. So this is the content for my new blog. Okay, so here I've included some of the destinations and what all views and adventures these destinations contains that could be explored by the families and the students. Okay, so here I'm going to click on publish, so the post will be published over here. As we have done that, the post is published successfully, so we'll go back towards the Facebook page, first Facebook page. So I'm going to refresh this page once. We can see that yes, here we have a new post with the same message, but the title is automatically changed, Spring Break Destinations for Families and Students. When the person is going to click on this link which is attached with the post, it is redirecting towards the post we have posted on our WordPress site. Okay, once again we'll go towards the second page as well, so we'll refresh it once. And here also we have the same post. Okay, we have the link as well. This means that our workflow is running perfectly fine. So let's summarize what we have done. We have simply set up the connection between WordPress and our multiple Facebook pages in such a way that now whenever we are going to post something on our WordPress site, it will be shared as a post automatically on our Facebook page along with the link as well. Okay, so in a similar manner, this is very easy way to share your WordPress post on multiple Facebook pages just with the help of automation. And you can see we have not used any coding or programming skills in our workflow. It is done simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such applications without any coding or programming skills with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our video and subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.